Good morning, students. I am Professor Bagle MG. I welcome you all in today's video lecture on refrigerant compressor. In last video lecture, we have discussed the hermetically sealed compressor and open type reciprocating compressor. Today, we are going to discuss the centrifugal compressor. The centrifugal compressor consists of a series of impeller wheel mounted on a steel shaft. This is a drive shaft on which these impeller wheels are mounted on steel shaft and enclosed in cast iron casing, and there is a casing which is enclosed in cast iron casing. The impeller wheel consists of two discs, a hub disc and a cover disc. It has two discs, a hub disc and cover disc. Impeller blades are constructed in steels to avoid corrosion and erosion. Low pressure and low velocity vapors from the suction line are drawn along the axis of rotor shaft through the impeller eye. Due to rotation of this impeller wheel, refrigerant vapors are forced radially outward by action of centrifugal force. When this steel shaft gets rotated, the vapors which are comes in contact with the impellers are to be the force is transferred this rotational movement of the impeller to the vapors, and they forced out radially outward by action of centrifugal force and are discharged from blade tip into a compressor diffuser rings, which reduces the velocity. म्हणजे इथून जे वेपर्स याच्या कॉन्टॅक्टमध्ये येतील असं बाहेर फेकले जातील, आणि हे बाहेर फेकलेले जे आहेत वेपर्स ते पहिल्यांदा हा डिफ्युजर रिंग आहे त्या डिफ्युजर रिंगमध्ये जातील, या इम्पेलरमधून डिफ्युजर रिंगमध्ये जातील, विच रिड्युसेस द वेलॉसिटी अँड इन्क्रीज प्रेशर. व्हॉट इज द फंक्शन ऑफ डिफ्युजर रिंग? हा जो डिफ्युजर रिंग आहे ह्याचं काय फंक्शन आहे? टू रिड्यूस इट्स वेलॉसिटी अँड इन्क्रीज द प्रेशर. द फर्दर प्रेशर राईज टेक्स प्लेस. फर्दर परत अजून प्रेशर राईज टेक्स प्लेस ऑब्टेन्ड इन वॉल्यूट केसिंग. द केसिंग जो आहे हा बाहेरचा ह्याचा शेप कसा आहे? वॉल्यूट टाईप आहे. ड्यू टू इट्स शेप अगेन फर्दर ड्रॉप ऑफ द वेलॉसिटी टेक्स प्लेस अँड प्रेशर इज वॉट इन्क्रीज. दिस हाय प्रेशर हाय टेम्परेचर लिक्विड रेफ्रिजरंट्स आर पास्ड टू कंडेन्सर through this outward. Are you getting? So this is the construction, the sectional view and front view of the centrifugal compressor. Centrifugal compressor मध्ये हा स्टील शाफ्ट आहे कनेक्टेड टू द मोटर. या स्टील शाफ्टच्या एंडला काय माउंट केलेले आहेत? इम्पेलर्स आर माउंटेड बिटवीन द टू हाऊसिंग्स. सो इथून तुमचं वेपर्स काय होणार आहे? सक होणार आहे. जेव्हा सक्शन लाईन कनेक्टेड असेल, जेव्हा हे इम्पेलर्स रोटेट ॲट अ सर्टन स्पीड, the vapors which comes in contact with these impellers are to be forced. centrifugal force तिथं इम्पेलरचा जो फोर्स आहे तो त्याला ट्रान्सफर होईल. सो दॅट इज द कायनेटिक एनर्जी इज वी आर गेटिंग, दॅट इज हाय वेलॉसिटी ऑफ द वेपर्स विच आर फोर्स्ड आउट अँड दोज आर पास टू वॉट? डिफ्युजर रिंग. वेअर व्हॉट इज द फंक्शन ऑफ डिफ्युजर रिंग? डिफ्युजर रिंग drops the velocity and increase the pressure, and then these high pressure vapors pass to the volute casing. The further increase in the pressure by reducing its velocity, and then these high pressure vapors are discharged to the condenser. This is the function of your centrifugal compressor. Okay, so now we will see the next. What are the advantages of centrifugal compressor? It handles large volume of refrigerant. Specifically, these compressors are used where the large volume and low pressure is required. It can be used up to 50 to 500 ton capacity. Speed of centrifugal compressor very high due to perfect balancing. No reciprocating parts are there as rotating motion is there, so that the balancing is easy. The efficiency of centrifugal compressor is very high. It can be directly coupled to motor or prime mover. Disadvantage काय? The main problem is the compressor surging. The refrigerant vapors with centrifugal compressor must be heavy because the discharge pressure is directly proportional to the density of the vapors. The pressure ratio per stage is small, where the small pressure and large volume of refrigerant is required to handle. There this centrifugal compressor is what used. and multi-stringing of compressor is what? Difficult here. So these are the disadvantages of centrifugal compressor. Then applications, centrifugal compressor is mainly used where large flow rate of refrigerant and small pressure ratio is required. It is used for refrigerant having large specific volume. Then the next type is the screw compressor. Next type is what? Screw compressor. Where in a screw compressor you are observing that, so this is your front view and this is your side view. So here the two screws, screw type compressor is a positive displacement compression, consists of two mutually engaged helical grooved rotors. दोन रोटर आहेत तिथे, हा एक रोटर आहे आणि हा एक रोटर आहे. सो हेलिकली ग्रूव्ड रोटर्स, या रोटर्समध्ये तुम्हाला इथे दोन रोटर्स आहेत, एक मेल रोटर आणि एक फिमेल रोटर. सो मेल रोटर इज एंगेज्ड विथ द फिमेल रोटर. ग्रूव्ड रोटर सुटेबली हाऊस्ड इन अ केसिंग, या केसिंगमध्ये काय केलेले आहे त्यांना फिक्स केलेले आहे विथ द हेल्प ऑफ बेरिंग्स. आउट ऑफ टू रोटर्स जनरली मेन driver having 4 helical loops which are engaged in corresponding flutes of female rotors. हा ड्रायव्हर रोटर आहे मेल रोटर आणि या फिमेल रोटरला काय एंगेज झालेले. ॲज ड्रायव्हिंग रोटर रोटेट्स, हा ड्रायव्हर रोटर जे आहे ते मोटरला कनेक्ट केलेले आहे. वेन इट इज रोटेट्स इट रोटेट्स दिस फिमेल रोटर ऑल्सो. ओके. अ ड्राईव्ह रोटर टर्न्स रेफ्रिजरंट वेपर्स आर ड्रॉन, जेव्हा हे फिरेल त्यावेळेस रेफ्रिजरंट वेपर्स आर ड्रॉन, म्हणजे ते सक करतील रेफ्रिजरंट वेपर्स आतमध्ये इन अ हाऊसिंग अँड फिल्स द इंटर लूप स्पेस. इथे हे जे स्पेस आहेत लूप स्पेसमध्ये काय होतील ते रेफ्रिजरंट्स आर फिल्स. अँड वेन दे मूव इन दिस डायरेक्शन they due to reduction in space they are gets compressed and discharge the high vapors refrigerant to the condenser. A driving rotor turns refrigerant vapors are drawn in housing and fills interloop space. As rotor continues to rotate the refrigerant vapors are moved radially. जेव्हा हे फिरतील त्यावेळेस along the radially ते move होतील and gets compressed by volume reduction as interloop space go on decreasing. A compression of vapors continues till discharge ports is reached and high pressure vapors leaked through the throughout to the condenser. Okay, so here I had shown the cut section. So this is your drive, your shaft, male shaft, and this is your female shaft, and these are gets rotated. When they are rotated, the vapors, this is a hold in a housing fixed and these vapors are sucked inside. When they are rotated fills the loop and they are moved in forward direction and gets compressed and discharged through this port. Here there is an oil pockets. These are the oil pockets which are shown here for the cooling purpose, okay. So now the screw type compressor is a positive displacement compressors. Here the compression takes place by reduction of the volume. What are the advantages of screw compressor? Volumetric efficiency is very high. As they are screw, no uniform and continuous flow of refrigerant continuously. The screw when starts rotate it sucks the vapors and gets compressed. Elimination of suction and discharge valve, no valves are there, and low power consumption and smoothly running. Now the next compressor is a scroll compressor. So here this is also known as a spiral compressor, scroll compressor or spiral compressor. Here one female again orbital, one fixed scroll is there, and in that another scroll is fixed which is moving, that is known as orbital scroll. Orbital scroll is moving in the fixed scroll. In scroll compressor the crankshaft is arranged vertically. So here you have seen this is a crankshaft, This is a motor and crankshaft, and here there is a compressor. So when motor starts to rotate, then this is vertical mounted. These refrigerant vapors are sucked from the, here the refrigerant vapors are sucked from the evaporator, and then they are gets compressed and discharged to condenser. Okay, here there is a scroll compressor. So scroll compressor, the crankshaft is arranged vertically. The scroll set is located above it. म्हणजे या शाफ्टवर तुमचं स्क्रोल सेट फिक्स केलेलं आहे. दिस स्क्रोल सेट कॉम्प्रेसेस वन फिक्स्ड अँड वन ऑर्बिटल स्पायर. सो एक फिक्स्ड आहे आणि एक ऑर्बिटल तुमचा स्पायरल आहे. These two spiral mesh with one another, compressing the refrigerant vapors. An orbital motion from the outer part of the scroll set towards the middle. As a result of this principle, there is a various stages of compression, different sized pockets in which compression currently occurring at any point in the compression process. Here we have to see the working of scroll compressors. So in first stage, this is a inlet of the vapors which comes in, and it fills up the refrigerant vapors. You can see here the outer cell is filled with refrigerant vapors. Then it is in the next stage, fixed scroll is there, one orbital scroll in fixed between the compression chamber. The space between fixed and orbital is becomes the compression chamber. When there it rotates the orbital, then the outside this refrigerants which is what moved through inside in orbital space up to the center, and due to reduction of this space, you can see here in the second stage, this is the third stage where the vapors are moved to the center, and in the last stage here it is taken in, then it is inside that again ते आतमध्ये घेतले, परत तो सेंटरवरून कॉम्प्रेस होऊन तो बाहेर फेकेल. सो बाहेरून घेतल्यानंतर वन्स त्या पॉकेट्समध्ये वेपर्स अडकले की ते स्पायरली कॉम्प्रेस होत सेंटरला मूव्ह होतील, अँड ड्यू टू रिडक्शन इन दी वॉल्यूम द वेपर्स आर गेट्स compressed. So this is what are the advantages of nowadays these scroll compressors are widely used in refrigeration system. What are the advantages? Quite in operation, it is very small and simple design, low maintenance and oil free design. Disadvantage, this is having a low capacity flow, liters म्हणजे कमी कॅपॅसिटीसाठी सुटेबल आहे. Relatively expensive when the compressor elements fails. There is a very big chance you just have to buy our whole new element. So it is not easy to maintenance. Is there any failure, you have to replace the compressor. This is all about the scroll compressor. Okay, thank you. In today's video we have discussed the centrifugal compressor, screw compressor and scroll compressor. Okay, thank you. Here we have to see the video of screw compressor and scroll compressor.
MAN Diesel and Turbo manufactures tailor-made process gas screw compressors for customers, a modular system of tried and tested components guaranteeing the utmost reliability. Depending on its size, a compressor stage can suck in and then compress volume flows of between about 200 and 100,000 cubic meters per hour. All screw compressors operate according to the basic principle of a positive displacement machine, whose key element is a pair of spiral rotors. During operation, the rotors turn and the spiral teeth mesh together, forming chambers between the rotors and the casing wall. Rotation causes the chambers to move from the suction or intake side to the compression or discharge side. These chambers are connected to the suction nozzle via ports. As the chambers enlarge, they are filled with gas flowing in through the nozzle. To understand the compression process better, let's look at an individual chamber. It enlarges, is filled with gas, and then closed by a circumferential edge in the casing. The rotors now transport the gas to the discharge side, where the chamber shrinks and the retained gas is compressed. Let's view the process again, this time from below. Once the gas is compressed, the chamber reaches another port connected to a discharge nozzle, and the gas flows out. In fact, all the chambers between the two rotors are being filled and emptied continuously. This means that with a screw compressor, the compression process is more or less ongoing. The design of a screw compressor combines the advantages of a positive displacement machine with those of a rotating machine, making this type of compressor suitable for a very wide range of applications and process gases. MAN Diesel and Turbo has been developing and constructing process gas screw compressors at its Oberhausen location since 1952.